Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making delicious coffee butter cookies with JV coffee. These super delicious cookies are crunchy and awesome in taste. This can be served with evening tea or as a mini snack. So let's start the recipe. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Friends, I am using this JV coffee for my today's recipe. This unique microdose coffee gives you perfect rich aroma and a great texture. One thing I like in this coffee is it's a purest form of coffee in liquid concentrate. The best part of JV coffee that it's in liquid form. You just need to take 1 to 2 teaspoon of microdose as per your taste and mix it with your favorite liquid. That's it. It's so simple to use. This is JV's official website. You can get special discount on this coffee if you buy it from my link. Use the coupon code KOFUS15 in the coupon code to get the special 15% discount on your orders. I'm also giving all the links and details in the description box below, so don't forget to check out the links and get the special discount. Let's start the recipe of coffee butter cookies. You can also get the ingredient list in the description box below. First of all, we are going to take a full butter stick. It is having 8 tablespoons of butter. Make sure that your butter should be on the room temperature. Now whisk the butter on low to high speed for 1 to 2 minutes. It will become light in color and more fluffy. I'm using my stand mixer to mix this. You can use any hand mixer to whisk it. You can also whisk by your hands. It will take a little more time to whisk the butter. You can see butter is fluffy now. Now I'm going to add half a cup of powdered sugar in the butter. Whisk it for 2 to 3 minutes. Whenever you are using any stand mixer or hand mixer, always go with low to high speed. After 2 to 3 minutes of whisking, I am gonna add half teaspoon of vanilla extract to the mixture. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of Hershey's chocolate syrup. You can take melted chocolate if you are not having Hershey's chocolate syrup. Now the most important ingredient comes JV liquid coffee. This coffee will add extra aroma and extra taste to our cookies. We are taking 2 teaspoons of JV coffee. Now mix all the ingredients. Now add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add a pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We have added all the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Now mix it well so it will form a dough. Cookie dough is ready now. Now keep this dough aside for a while. Here I am taking this type of star nozzle to make these cookies. If you don't have any nozzle, then you can just simply make round cookies. Now fill the dough in the piping bag. Close the piping bag properly from the end. Grease the cookie tray and place parchment paper on the tray. Now take the piping bag and start making cookies like this. Hold the piping bag straight and start from the center and just roll the piping bag around the cookie. Make all the cookies in the same way. If you want, put some sprinkles on the cookies, so kiddos are gonna love that. Now bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes in the preheated oven. Choose the middle rack of the oven to bake your cookies. After 10 to 12 minutes, remove the cookies from the oven and let the cookies cool down completely on the room temperature. These butter cookies are super buttery and crumbly. You will definitely love this. The best way to store the cookies is to keep them in an airtight container at room temperature, in a pantry or inside your kitchen cabinet. A special thanks to JV Coffee. This coffee made my cookies so delicious and awesome in taste. Thank you, JV. I hope you like the recipe. If you have any doubt about the recipe, do let me know in the comment section below. Friends, do like, share, subscribe Kitchen of Flavors and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.